welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making curry goat, guys. Here I have some beautiful goat meat waiting, so let's get started. So here, my lovelies, the ingredients are 1 teaspoon salt, 6 tablespoons curry divided, 1 portion to cook before adding your meat, pimento seeds, complete seasoning, the curry, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper, sweet peppers, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, and this is the seasoning that I will combine. And here is the goat meat. I did ask the butcher to give me the red pieces and they are beautiful. So let's take it to the sink for a wash. You can use vinegar or lime juice for washing. Here I'm adding some vinegar. Add seasoning, curry powder, salt, pimento seeds, combine. Cut and add your veggies. Combine. It's best to marinate your meat overnight, so cover and refrigerate. See you guys in a bit. So my lovelies, the meat is marinated and we are going straight to the stove, guys. So my lovelies, it's best to have your meat seasoned and marinate overnight so that the seasonings can soak straight down to the bones. So to my pan, I will add 3 tablespoons of oil and mid-heat. And 3 tablespoons curry powder. Cook 3 to 5 minutes. Do not burn. So that was 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and add the meat. Cover and continue cooking and mid-heat. So here my lovelies, after 10 minutes of cooking, the meat has spring its own water. So now I will add 1 cup of boiling water and continue to cook and mid-heat until the meat is tenderized. This is rich and beautiful, guys, all curried and juicy. So rich and beautiful. So okay, let's check to see what's going on over here. Oh, beautiful, guys. Rich and beautiful. Let me test to see what's this. Still need more cooking, so I will continue to cook and low heat. My lovelies, let's check to see if the meat is cooked. And look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, rich and beautiful, guys. Let's taste. It is delicious, guys. So delicious. So your goat meat is ready, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and please remember to like, share and subscribe.